Welcome straight down to the tech desk today, because what we're going to do is we're talking about these. These are the Sony Pulses, and we're going to be doing a sound test for them. I just want to do a couple of minutes admin. If you want to go straight into the sound test of these three, I'll leave links down below where you can skip forward to that. Otherwise, I just want to quickly talk to you about why I have chosen these three. Okay, so when I started off, I wanted a way of testing the sound quality of these, but there were two things that needed to happen. One was I needed to be able to adjust the graphic equalizer on the Pulses, and two, I needed an accurate way of actually recording the sound that came out of the headphones. So I didn't even know, very recently, these had an update where you can actually adjust the graphic equalizer to your heart's content. I've done a video on that. I'll leave a link above where you can go and see that. But also, I've set this to bass boost. It's one of their presets, okay, bass boost, because I wanted to kind of match this. Now, this is the Arctis 9. The reason I've chosen the Arctis 9 is not because it is twice as expensive as these. However, if you go and buy the one wireless, which is roughly the same price as these, it's exactly the same internals in here, okay? So exactly the same speakers. So they will sound exactly the same as the 1, the 7, and the 9. And speaking of the 7, that's why I've got the white foam pads here, because it was matching for my 7. I then bought the 9, then didn't want to replace these, so I just thought I'd use these. That's why it just looks a bit funny with the white and black. However, the reason why I bought these, the Arctis 9, is because simply over comfort. This is a whole separate video, but I find these way more comfortable than these. The headband, the cushions, the stock cushions, as well as these ones, much more comfortable. And the reason I chose the 9 over the 7 is because I wanted the Bluetooth functionality, so I can have notifications on my phone whilst I'm gaming. Okay, so that's a separate video. We'll do that at some other stage. And then also, we're going to be comparing it with these. These are my cheapest headphones I own. These are a wired pair of PDP level 40s, and they're 20 quid. Okay, so we're going to be comparing it with those three. Okay, so like I said, I've set this to bass boost, I've set this to immersive, and obviously I haven't set this to anything because I can't do anything with that. Now, the second thing that needed to happen was I needed an accurate way of being able to record what is being heard in here. Now, I reached out a while ago when I did a headphone review, and I said I can't accurately record what's coming out of the headphones. And someone reached out to me and showed me a video, and I'll leave links above there, and I'll leave links down below of the channel where you can go and see this idea. It is fantastic, and it works brilliantly to record headphones. So, welcome the third member of the CTO Tech Desk team, and this is Louis. So, Louis here. He is wearing a special pair of headphones. These are Sennheiser binaural headphones, and as you can see, they have microphones built in them that you can record 3D sound, basically. So he's wearing those. Put the headphones on him, and you will be able to hear the headphones and the specific ones that he's wearing. So just plug that into my phone, and then I'll start recording it. Okay. So like I said, this is on bass boost, this is on immersive, this is on stock, and what we're going to do is going to go 3 games. I've picked 2 games that have 3D sound as well, so you should be able to notice a little bit of a difference. What we're going to do is we're going to put these on Louis like that. I'll leave link down there of which headphone, you'll be able to see it anyway, but you'll be able to see which headphone there and which I'll put on down there, which game is playing there. I've done nothing to the post-processing apart from adjust the gain to make it kind of level. And we're going to put through about 10 minutes worth of gameplay. So this is going to work better if you wear headphones. Okay, so stick your headphones on. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of the Pulses. Like I said, I've used these ones to compare the price because they're the same as the Arctis one, but these are much cheaper. There are much better headphones. I want to know down below if you've got a much better pair of headphones than either of these three. Let me know in the comments below which ones you prefer. Okay, stick your headphones on, sit back, relax, and here's 10 minutes of gameplay comparing these 3 headsets. Until the next video, bye-bye.
Hey, listen.
Our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Copernicus Leslie Quad will be your host. Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Captain Copernicus Leslie Quad will be your host. Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy? Wait, a gift? For what? Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route. Well, we better get moving then.
Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clang to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy? Wait, a gift? For what? Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route. Well, we better get moving then.
Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clang to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy? Wait, a gift? For what? Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route. Well, we better get moving then.
Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. Last, the home of heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. Last, the home of heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Once he grabs some ammo, of course. Last, the home of heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show. On us? I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear, activating Magna Boots! I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear, activating Magna Boots! Counting on us? I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear, activating Magna Boots!
Teleportation circle. Casting a sentry wall. Un enemigo está aquí.
Regen burst activated. Get in here.
It's nothing personal.
Hey. I'm not your father.
Here I am. Ay, pobrecita. Ay, pobrecito. I'm out of here.
I'm restored. Touch from afar. That's much better.
Initiating team up for special attack. Rocket barrage incoming. Receiving inflected combat
Sire.
victory.